Not ready yet. Let's need to go. We gonna beat him.
Act like y'all know what time it is, man. This nigga go home. What about to do? What about to say? What about to do? How y'all feel? How y'all feel? How y'all feel? Who got my back? for you, all right? Fellas, listen. I know y'all coaches. This ain't nothing but the ticket to get to the Super Bowl. You want the next trophy instead, all right? Celebrate today, but focus on your overall mission, all right?
Yes, sir.
Listen, have fun. Every year, Florida League have new programs come in and win the ship. Now, for those of us that know the brand of Northeast Rattlers, it ain't no surprise for us. We've known the brand for a long time, but there are some that don't know, but y'all proving it every game y'all play. 2023 AFC Rookie Champs Division 1 Northeast Rattlers.